Yes.
So now, good morning, everybody, and we start today part of the SSB subject, that is the OLQs, officer-like qualities. Okay, the full form of OLQ itself amplifies. When we talk about OLQ, it means, armed forces officers like qualities. We have identified certain qualities which are required in a potential candidate like you. Okay, when we test you guys through the SSB procedure, there by a psychologist who's expert. Okay, these are scientific methods. Okay, then is the GTO, ground testing officer. He will observe you for 3 days by remaining with you in a group. How do you behave? How do you react? How do you talk? What is your behavior in a group, right? As well as he is going to give you individual tasks. Individually also, how do you act, react, or what all leadership qualities you have when the opportunity is given to you. You are made a leader, you have to pick up 2-3 guys, and you are given a task, perform that. Okay, individually. You are part of the group of 10, tasks are given. So what is your contribution in that group? To solve the problem given by the GTO. That is the obstacles, right? Even if you have not got an opportunity to contribute in the full group, again you are given a chance to contribute in a half group, right? And individually, of course, command tasks. Similarly, individual obstacles to see whether you are individually, you see, what is the physical standards. Determination is the main quality through that individual obstacle. When we come to the GTO task, we are going to discuss in detail, but I'm just giving the overview of complete this thing time and again so that it grills in your mind, right? आपके दिल और दिमाग में ये जरूरी है कि आपके समझ आना जरूरी है. You must understand कि क्यों ये क्वालिटी जरूरत है और तुमको कैसे शेप करनी है अपने आप को. You see, and you should know that what is the GTO or an officer seeing for 3 days in me, right? So similarly, in a group discussion, you are given a subject and you have to discuss it out. Your expression. How do you express? Your confidence level. It is not, you see, that important that you must have fluent English. It should be communicable. It is, try and speak in English, but in between you can use Hindi or whatever else to convey your point confidently in the discussion. Contribute, help each other. That is the crux. Okay, rather than criticizing and being negative, be part of solution and not the part of the problem, my dear. Okay, so that is your basically your qualities. Okay. And the same thing I yesterday again told you, that the interviewing officer will talk to you and interpersonally. Interpersonal, you know, that bonding he is going to establish, and then he is going to throw comfortable question on your family background, parents, and based on the PIQ form. What are the information you are given? Nothing from the sky is going to fall on your bloody thing in the interview. Whatever information you are given in the PIQ form is the questions complete. Interview is going to be based on that. Apart from that, degree of difficulty in the part of the interview is going to be your current affairs, your national and international issues. Okay. So now this is the procedure and how you are going to go. But the biggest question is, what are the qualities? OLQs. Now, OLQs, officer like, I call it as an officer like OLPQs, officer like potential qualities you have. You don't have OLQs. OLQs, once you are selected and go to the academy, NDA, OTA, or OTA Gaya or IMA, there you will be, trained on your officer like qualities, and there you'll be judged oblique graded on OLQs. Today you have got raw qualities, and out of those qualities you'll be judged. Now, what are these qualities? Every human being has got. Okay, so forget about that. There are special, something special, in the students which we are looking for. Nothing. Qualities like integrity, dependability, courage, initiative, sense of responsibility, selfless service. Have you heard of Chatur motto? When you pass out the last step. Okay. That is the dream of everybody, rather you. Because once you step out of that, okay, POP, passing out parade. So there is a Chatur hall in IMA, right? What is Chatur motto? It determines, it conveys selfless service. Service before self is the motto of Indian Army or not? What is the meaning? The nation comes first. Your country comes first. Your parents, your teachers, your colleagues, everybody comes next. And you, as an individual, comes last in order of priorities. That is the essence of that Chatur motto. Understood? That's what I'm trying to say. Therefore, please understand that this is the strongest quality which we are looking into. Service before self. Whether you are selfish or whether you are selfless. In your all activities in SSB for 4 or 5 days, starting from the first day, screening in, these OLQs are looked into through various tests, right? Now, you see, to become an officer, what you require is you divide the qualities into 3 portions. Qualities, officer-like qualities, or OLPQs. Quality of what? Head. Head, okay. Heart, quality of heart, and quality of limbs. All three different. You see, for Jawans, for a soldier category, we look into what? Quality of limbs is 80%. Physical qualities we require more in a Jawan, because that is the requirement. Whereas quality of your head is less in Jawans. He doesn't have to apply so much of it. He has to, of course, the common sense level. He has to do and die, not to question why. This is the motto of every soldier. You have to obey the order, whatever is given by an officer or the planner. Right? That is how you maintain the discipline. If you think too much, you will be questioning the commander, which is not, in the interest of anybody. Okay. Therefore, what is required in you to become an officer? Reverse it. 80% is your quality of head and heart. 20%, of course, the quality of limbs, wherein you should be physically also okay. However, these are trainable factors. Even if you have not played any games, you will when you are in the academy. But the most important quality, what you need as an officer is potential quality. Out of the dynamic qualities or the physical, what you have been having the wrong notions is courage. Courage is the common quality which is a must for a Jawan and for an officer. ठीक है? Courage का मतलब क्या है? Courage का opposite क्या होता है? Anybody? Yeah, what is the opposite of courage? Sudarshan.
Cowardness.
Yes. Yeah, अबे हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? या
कायरता.
कायरता. ओके. नाउ ये क्वालिटी जो है, ये क्वालिटी दोनों में चाहिए कि नहीं? सोल्जर एंड ऑफिसर. इज दिस क्वालिटी ए मस्ट और नॉट? है क्या नहीं? जरूरी है. जो डर गया सो मर गया. सुना है? हमें नहीं चाहिए डरपोक. हाउ इज ही गोइंग टू फेस द एनिमी? अगर एक बंदा डर गया, एक कदम पीछे हट गया, look at the complete group. What a demotivating factor. समझ में आया? This is what, if you have understood this, the logic behind this, why so and so quality is required, and which is the most important quality. Got it? So this is a veto sort of thing. We need, total courageous officers and men. Okay? So courage, there is no compromise. So now come to the quality of head. You see, OLQ, officer-like quality. An officer, what is the role of an officer? The role of an officer is to, you see, plan. P and O. Planning and, what do you mean by O? Organization. Okay? So, who does this planning and organizing? P and O. Please mute your audios. Who does this? It is the officer. It's his duty. right? You imagine a sound planning by an officer, and thereafter organizing, preparing and executing it on ground, understood, will lead to what? Anybody? Will lead to victory, success, है कि नहीं? Therefore, एक ऑफिसर प्लानिंग करता है, ऑर्गेनाइज करता है, उसी प्लान पे एक जवान चलता है और सबकी जान उसमें है कि नहीं? अब आप सोचिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है एक ऑफिसर का, तुम लोगों का, जो कल भावी ऑफिसर हैं आप, यू आर गोइंग टू बी एन ऑफिसर. Therefore, we cannot compromise any lack of qualities out of the OLQs. There are certain strong qualities. If you lack that, you will end up with an unsound plan. And if the plan is unsound, not workable, not sound, it may lead to, lots of negativity. Demoralizing for your subordinates, failure of any plan, okay, and then not a sound plan cannot result into your aim, that is a victory. Got it? Therefore, the OIR, Officer Intelligence Rating, is the most important thing. Quality of head, what is that? All those qualities through which you have got you see, it is effective intelligence. Normal intelligence everybody has. Effective intelligence means what? Whenever I require that intelligence, it should come within fraction of second, it should come in a second. So that is called as mind, right? And if it right or wrong decision, that fraction of second, you are driving a motorcycle and suddenly someone comes in front, you are with a 60 speed on the road. Your presence of mind, that effective intelligence which will save your life and his life. Understood? Okay. So please remember that your intelligence is okay, but it has to be effective. Whenever you require it, it should be able to give you the result. It should be used. Got it? And anything wrong, if it is not in time, it can't save life. Okay? Then you come to the, you see, basically I'm trying to stress on the most powerful. Got it? That's why you have OIR, and minimum rating acceptable is 3%. Okay, right? Now, that means rating 1, rating 2, and rating 3, rating 4, rating 5. There are 5 ratings. When you go on the first day, there will be OIR test. You have to have minimum benchmark of rating 3, around touching 80% or so, approximately. Depends on the cutoff, right? See the importance. Now, quality of heart. Okay. Don't you say कि उसका दिल बहुत बड़ा है. When you think mind is here, head is here to think. It should send the message to your heart and do from your heart. Think from your head and do from your heart. You'll never be wrong. Means what? You have to be passionate. Compassion होना चाहिए. See, cool, calm, compose. ये qualities कहाँ छुपी है? कैसे निकलेगी? Right? Anybody who has got a good heart, नहीं समझे? Helping others, taking initiative, है ना? आपके दिल में कोई चीज आई, an old lady is, getting down from a train with a, huge suitcase and the luggage. You see, you are looking that there are so many people looking at that lady. You suddenly go and say, "May I help, ma'am?" And you pick up the suitcase, help her to come down. You help a blind person to cross the road. Not everybody. So that is a good quality of heart. Helping attitude. Help your friend, help your parents, help your elders. Right? Got it? And taking initiative. Then sense of responsibility. Again, part of it. मेरी जिम्मेवारी है, मदद करूं मैं, मेरा दोस्त है, मेरे माँ बाप है, मेरे ये है. Right? Then you come to the social adaptability. How do you adapt to the society? You should have that quality. Okay. Agree. Even if you don't, even if you disagree. Politeness. Convey your point. Help each other. Then is your social effectiveness. In a group, in SSB, one is initiative. Second is helping somebody who is not up to the mark in your group. You find he is not getting a chance to speak, and you suddenly try and say, okay, let's give a chance to chest number 3. So it speaks volume about you. Got it? Effectiveness. And in a group, you come out as a what? A leader. The complete group except chest number 5 is very good. He helps everybody in the group. That is a social effectiveness. आपने ऐसा इफेक्ट किया है अपने ग्रुप में, समझ गए कि नहीं? अपनी क्वालिटी द्वारा आप सबकी मदद करते हैं. सुपीरियर, you don't have ego. Okay, so you help your colleague, you help your subordinate, everybody. Got it? And कोई भी टास्क है उसके अंदर सबसे पहले आप आगे आते हैं, इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं, जिम्मेवारी लेते हैं. फ्रेंड है, गिर गया, उसको उठाया, फर्स्ट एड दिया, you evacuate him to the hospital. Don't you do? This is all what? Okay. Now is the dynamic qualities. Dynamic qualities क्या है? I told you the most powerful is the courage, stamina, determination. That is the willpower. Even if you fail to do some obstacle or some task, try and attempt it, yeah? You're not successful in first chance of NDA or SSB. Don't give up. That speaks about your determination. Keep trying. Don't give up. Okay. And then the courage has to be there. How much risk you can take? Who can take maximum risk? Who can take, balanced risk, calculated risk? That will depend, degree of your courage. Got it? I hope I have made clear all these OLQs. I emphasize this is the most important thing. All SSB aspirants need to know the concept of OLQs. And out of these OLQs, which are the most important? Why? There has to be reasoning and logic. You just can't say that all qualities are important. All qualities, of course, are important. And these qualities, you know it, that some of them we have inherited from our forefathers. Thereafter, we are acquired when we are born in our family, in our schools, through our teachers, and we make friends from friends. Everybody has got a role to play in your personality and your qualities. And these qualities are, of course, seen in your assessment.